That's right. I mean, I could get a silly head, but you won't see it, that's the problem. Because my camera is off. Would that work? I don't know. Maybe? Yep. I know. Um, the thing is, to get partnered, you need to have a specific number of followers. And then you get the option to get a sub button. And that number was set a long time, but it wasn't set for creative streams. So it depends a bit on the traffic in the stream and stuff like that. So it's I'm not sure if I get partnered anytime soon. So I doubt it, because I'm not that popular yet. Or if I ever get that popular, not sure. And it's also not a priority for me. My priority is the game, and that it works. That I'm working on it. Thank you. Oh, thanks for that compliment. No, it's not more difficult, it's just different, because most creative streamers or streams are smaller, and they need to find another measurement for that, I think. A stream I followed for a long, I'm still following and watched for some time last year, got partnered think a month ago or so. And that's just a creative stream. But the thing is, the guy is making his own models and also plays with his followers sometimes and stuff like that. So it's a bit different there. For me, it's just coding and placing props in the world. But he was streaming for about a year or so before he got partnered. So not sure what will happen in a year with my stream. Oh, damn artifacts over here. It's roughly 4 kilometers by 4 kilometers. Yeah, I know that. And for me, it's nothing special. I'm just doing level design and a bit of coding. So it will be a long time for me, if at all, I would say. How do I get started? I have been working on other projects in the past, and let me show that to you. No, that's the wrong thing. I wanted to go here. I've been working on student projects, and I attended a school for game design and game programming and stuff like that. And I created this simple platformer game as the first student project with other students of first semester. Then I did a bit of level design for a third-person shooter. It looks even more impressive than what I'm doing here. But the artists that worked on there were in their last semester, and that looks really good. Not sure if the bot is still here. Let me try that. No, the bot is not there. Why is it not there? Damn Nightbot. What are you doing? Come back to me. And after that I worked on this game.
Access granted. Welcome to Hadron. External device connecting.
But all of these were student projects with teams of first team was 5 people, I think, and the other were teams of 10 people working on different projects. And then that was the next project, was this game here. You basically fly around the room and collect blocks to build the castle in the middle. It's a mobile game. But all of these, like I said, were with bigger teams, and that's the last project I worked on, where I did almost everything apart from the 2D art and the environment models. The rocks here and the doors and door frames and crystals. All that stuff was done by other people. For this game I made this character and this character over here, and also the dialogue editor you saw earlier. That's the first iteration of it that I made. Yeah, it looks interesting, but it's all student projects. Nothing of that is published anywhere. So yeah, it doesn't help me much in the long run. Yeah, I worked on that, but you can never play that because basically it doesn't exist. And if I go to the block and to here, those are the characters I created at some point. It's the frog you can talk to. Here you have a catfish that blocks your way, and that's the screenshot you saw earlier. Yes, it was designed and made for Android. Had 5 levels, 5 different castles or things you had to build out of blocks in the middle of the table, and it worked fine. The problem is that it was never really published. And for some reason my damn bot isn't here, so let me get that link to you if you want to have a look at that. Yeah, that's basically, but the problem is my last post is a bit old. I need to update that at some point.